Restoring the Bill.com API SDK is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, ensure you have a valid Bill.com account and the necessary credentials to access the API. First, identify the reason for restoring the API SDK. Whether it is due to a technical issue or a deliberate deactivation. This will help you determine the best approach to take. Next, log into your Bill.com account and navigate to the developer portal. Here, you will find the API SDK settings and controls. Look for the Restore API SDK option and click on it. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to restore the API SDK. Confirm your selection and wait for the restoration process to complete. This may take a few minutes, depending on the complexity of your setup. Once the restoration is complete, verify that the API SDK is working as expected by testing it with a sample application or integration. It is essential to note that restoring the API SDK may impact any existing integrations or applications that rely on it. Therefore, it is crucial to notify any relevant parties and take necessary precautions to minimize downtime. Best practices for restoring the Bill.com API SDK include regularly backing up your API settings and configurations, monitoring API performance and usage, and staying up to date with the latest API documentation and updates. By following these steps and guidelines, you can successfully restore the Bill.com API SDK and get back to integrating and automating your financial workflows. Remember to always follow security best practices when working with APIs and sensitive data.